Hey, what's up? This is John from 5 Minute Guide, and I want to show you today how to balance the Osmo Mobile, which is a pretty awesome little device. It's super simple. Take your cell phone. I have an iPhone 7 Plus here, and open it up. Put the phone in, and then tighten it. And that's it. Except now you'll see it is not balanced. And balancing is super important. You want to keep this thing balanced because one, it's going to give you better footage, and two, it's going to save you a ton of battery life. The motors, you see how this just flops over like that? The motors are going to have to work really hard to keep it stable, which means it's going to jitter a little bit and it's going to burn through your battery crazy fast. So the best thing to do is there's this little knob here. You just turn it, slide it out, and see how it pretty much stays in that same spot now? That's essentially balanced. So we're gonna tighten this knob again, and that's how you balance the Osmo Mobile.